You are again welcome for the part 4 of this painting. So I'm continuing to paint the arm of Yashoda Maiyya. Using skin color and white color, I'm giving highlights to the folded fingers of Yashoda Maiyya. The skin color is nothing but a combination of colors which I made as a base color for the arm as well as for the Yashoda Maiyya's face. Using cadmium orange burnt Sienna water and flat brush number 0, I'm giving some oranges tinge to the arm of Yashoda Maiyya. The same skin tones would be used for the ear of Yashoda Maiyya too. Small makeup brown brush and Vandyke brown color. So Yashoda Maiyya is 3/4 completed, only the jewelry is remaining. We'll complete the jewelry when Krishna's skin is done. So now I'm painting Krishna's skin color. For this I'm using a flat brush number 0 and white plus less light blue and Persian blue color. To the previous color, I'm adding purple and more light blue, and I'm going to apply the color using 2/0 brush and blend it using a small makeup brush. Carefully see the way I'm doing it. For the finer detail, I'm going to use round brush number 000. I've applied to the previous color more white color and going to use the same round 2/0 brush for applying and a small makeup brush for blending the colors. Sometimes I will direct apply the color using that small makeup round brush. For nose, I'm using the round 000 brush and directly the blue color. I've started painting the arm of Shri Krishna. The same technique is used for the arm as well as legs of Shri Krishna too. To the previous blue color, I'm going to add more white color. Reduce the pressure onto the brush while giving shading. The way girls do makeup, the same way we have to apply paint onto the canvas. Just the white color. You can also use a flat brush number 0 or 1 instead of the small makeup brush. For shading, use the tapping technique. Using white color and brown brush number 000, I've applied some white paint on the right side of Shri Krishna. And then I have blended the colors using the makeup brush. Using previous blue color and very less black color, I'm going to give some grayish tinge to Shri Krishna's skin. When we come to Shri Krishna's face, the left side would be darker in color and the right side would be light in color. Once the skin is done, we'll go for the lips of Shri Krishna. Using crimson and white, I'm giving somewhat pinkish cheeks to Shri Krishna. I have given white color as a base for the eyes. Black color for the eyebrows, and then we come for the lips. For that we'll use permanent rose, Vandyke brown and round brush number 000. Yellow ochre and burnt sienna would be used to give base color for the eyeballs. As a darker shade, we'll use Vandyke brow for the lips. Make sure wherever the light is falling onto Shri Krishna's skin, make it more whiter in color. Using Vandyke brown and black color and round brush number 000, painting the eyeballs and eyelids of Shri Krishna. Using black Vandyke brown and flat brush number 1, I have started painting the hair of Shri Krishna. This is nothing but the base color for Shri Krishna's hair. For smaller portions, I'm going to use a fine round brush. I've started painting the foot of Shri Krishna. For that I will use coral red, chrism, less cadmium orange and round brush number 2/0. To make the foot more reddish, I will directly use crimson at point. Here comes the crimson color and the round brush number 2/0. White color as a highlight for the Shri Krishna's other foot. Using golden yellow, white and less burnt sienna and flat brush number 1, I will paint a nice yellowish circle around Shri Krishna's face. Use small round makeup brush to make the color lighter at the edges of the circle. Use the tapping effect here. Burnt sienna, Vandyke brown and black color and liner brush number 1. I'm giving somewhat brown color to the hair of both the Yashoda Maiya and the Shri Krishna. This was part 4 of the painting, so let's meet in part 5, which is the last part.